Good morning. Today I'm cycling from northern Seattle to downtown Seattle. It's a beautiful day, 60 and sunny, the high is 70. The distance is 20 miles, extremely short. On the 13th, I'm participating in the grand depart of a group of riders that are riding a similar route to me. After that, I'll be kind of doing my own thing. I'm not even a mile from the hotel. It's just a nice interurban trail, and it goes for a bit. In 2024, I did not go to downtown Seattle. I went straight to North Bend. This is strictly for the meetup. I'm going to be in Seattle for 2 days. Seattle has a great trail system. I'm currently riding some roads. I believe it was described as the Burke-Gilman Connector, but it's just a road with bicycle markings. It is not heavily traveled. I think I'm on the Burke-Gilman Connector now. Here's a view. There's been that beautiful lake to my left for quite a while now, but not very many views of it. Mostly there's trees and houses in the way. So I'm on the Burke-Gilman Trail. I don't think I'm on the connector, I think I'm on the actual trail. I think that lake might also be the Burke-Gilman Lake, but I'm not sure. Very pretty view to my left, kind of to the back of me. So as you can see, I'm in my summer kit. I don't have the leg warmers, I don't have the jacket. It's pretty amazing what one day can do. Thought I'd talk about my GoPro setup. I've got a GoPro Max 2, which is a 360 camera. It's mounted on my handlebar with a 5-inch boom, and I can, in editing, pick any perspective that I want to. One of the disadvantages is you've got to pick the perspective, and that's a separate step. So you have to pick the perspective, then you have to export the clip with the perspective, and you can spend a lot of time. And then the other disadvantage is you have to mount it on a pole. It's not as robust. It's possible to break. In fact, I originally used a GoPro, which was 10 inches, and it broke after about 3 weeks of training. So far, this 5-inch one that I've got, that is not a GoPro, has been holding up pretty well. Other than that, it's good because I don't have to take the camera and hold it in my hand and point it at things, which some of my friends were concerned about. So it just stays mounted to my bike the entire time. I just had a pretzel and some water at the Burke-Gilman Brewery. Very nice people in there. It's about 2:20. I think I have about 7 miles to the Space Needle. This has been an easy ride. It's 67 Fahrenheit and sunny. Hello, to your left. So far, my route into Seattle has been a good one. Nice. Here's the Space Needle to my left. Nice flowers. Well, I'm going to cross pretty soon. The drawbridge is opening. Well, looks like I'm supposed to be up high and cross on this drawbridge. I don't even know how to get there. Okay, it's one of those. I have to take all my gear off and then up these steps. All right, well, the first person I saw climbing up these stairs, I said, is there some way to avoid these stairs? And they were like, no. And then I carried my rear backpack up there and saw another cyclist, and I was like, is there a way to get up here? And he's like, sure, just do this. I went to carry my bike up those stairs, which I'm going to tell you would not have been easy. We do get a nice little water shot. Yay. We're less than 2 miles from the Space Needle. I've always had trouble with downtowns when they have these 3-dimensional tiered trail systems. Well, I'm almost there. It's been very chaotic these last mile or two.